Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love shopping on Amazon, you're going to love this. Today, I'm going to show you how to get free Amazon gift cards in just a few minutes. No surveys, no credit card, and no complicated steps. This method is completely legit, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss anything. First, let me prove that this actually works. Here's my Amazon account balance before redeeming a gift card. Now, I'm going to enter a code I got using this method, and there it is, 100 added to my account instantly. Now, let's go step by step so you can get your own free Amazon gift card. Open your browser and go to fundszap.com. This site offers digital gift cards that you can unlock by completing simple tasks. It's completely safe, and I've personally used it multiple times. Find an Amazon gift card. Once you're on the site, type Amazon in the search bar. Right now, I see both $50 and $100 gift cards available. These do run out quickly, so if you see them in stock, grab one as soon as possible. Unlock your gift card. To get your code, you just need to complete 2 quick tasks. These are simple things like installing apps or watching short videos. They're from the App Store and Google Play, so they're 100% safe. Let's do it together. I'll select one task that requires me to reach a certain level in a game, and another that simply asks me to open an app and sign in. Both are quick and easy. I'll install them now. Get your gift card code. Now that I've finished both tasks, I'll go back to FundZap, refresh the page, and tap Show Gift Card Code. And just like that, my 15-digit Amazon gift card code is fully revealed. Redeem your free Amazon gift card. I'll copy and paste this code into the Redeem a Gift Card section on Amazon, and my balance increases instantly. That's it. No waiting, no tricks, just free Amazon credit, and we're done. This method is super easy and works worldwide. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome ways to save money online. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be answering as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.